All right, so I got to take out this DEF header, and somewhat of a pain, but first thing I got to do is take off this stair, then go ahead, get rid of these screws, and then take these things off. Two of these, one and two, are coolant, so I'm going to need to drain the coolant out first. Then I can go ahead and take off the rest of these. I can actually take these two off right now and not worry about it. Take this one off, take this off, but other than that, these two coolant lines are going to have to come off. All right, so I just wanted to say these two right here, these two bolts, they were a 13 millimeter. So as that, I had my own screws that I bought for this strap that was up here. So yours might be different, but mine was a 10 millimeter for that. You're turning this one, pulling this one right here, pushing this in, and then pulling it out. This one right here, you pull this little cap, this has to come this way, and then you push this in, and then it'll come out. Same thing with this one. This is broke, so I'm gonna have to replace this at some point, but this used to look like this. So this one, you push in, the sides come out, and then you pull it off. All right, so I got it out. Next thing I gotta do is try to get this metal piece off the cover, or the seal, or however you want to look at it. But I gotta get this off. It goes counterclockwise to loosen it up, and they do have a tool for this. I don't have it, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to get creative. But once I can get this thing off, then I could go ahead and take it out. All right, so I was able to get this to turn and come off by just taking this, putting it in one of the slots here, and then I just hit it with the mallet. It is time consuming, but it did work, in case you don't want to buy the part, or the tool rather, in case you don't want to buy the tool for this. I can go ahead and take this thing off. All right, here's how I was able to get this off. I slid this side off. It was on like this, so I was able to slide this side off of this first, and then be able to move it this way in order to get it off. So I'm going to attempt to do this, and I did this with both hands, by the way, but going to attempt to see if I can do this somewhat similar to this. Oh, there it goes. So that was it. And now I can go ahead and put this thing into here. So you can see, got the new one on, got this thing off the ground, just pushing this thing back in place so I can go ahead and put the connections back on, and then I can finally get out of here. Make sure this up, just, and that's it. So got this one where just push that in and then twist. That one's gonna be a pain, so I'm gonna go to the next one. Got this one right here. Go ahead, push that down. This one next goes here. That thing off, take this one off. Nothing wants to be a pain. Got this one back here. Move this cap out the way. Go ahead, push that in. Not all the way on. Try to push it all the way down. until the sides lock on. You want to get the sides all the way down. They're not all the way locked in on this. Yeah, I'll go ahead and stop it here and show y'all when everything's back in place. Still got to put this strap back on, the step back on, and then I can call it a day. So now the DEF header, it's back up here, back in. Hopefully the coolant leak from here will have stopped. And yeah, so that's it for this repair. I'll see y'all in the next video.